Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge here with your outlook for August 7th, 2015. And the storm system that was projected earlier in the week to come through our area and give us a pretty good rainfall really was much ado about nothing here, because it really stayed on the weak side here. And every time you have one of these weak lows like this, and we talked about this early in the week too, when it was coming up here and really geared up and coming into our coverage area here, this was a lot stronger than this. Well, this stayed very weak, 1,006 millibars, and just kind of aimlessly sliding off the coast here. It even looked like D.C. at least when this started shifting south, D.C. over to over into Delaware and southern New Jersey, we're going to get a pretty good rainfall out of it. Not really the case. This has really moved out a lot quicker than a lot of the models had it. And the GFS projections earlier in the week that this was going to be a miss to the south ended up correct. So if you want to point to one model that actually did a pretty good job with this, the GFS, at least sniffing it out early, was the GFS. And then everything else kind of followed suit with that. And here is the projections for the morning here. Still showing some showers, maybe in the southern third of Delaware. Might have a few showers laying around. But taking a look at the latest NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting us off at 8 o'clock in the morning. You see we're perfectly clear of our coverage area here. Nothing going on here at all. As we go through the day here, we're getting up to noon. Again, nothing here. Maybe a shower down here in southern Delaware. That's about all you would have to deal with during the day on Friday. This is fantastic news for anybody that are going to meet us out here tonight for Music Fest in Bethlehem, PA, which is right about here. So if you're going to be in the area, we'll have our booth at the Sandsteel Stage tonight. You come out and meet myself and Mike DeFino. We have some giveaways and things like that. If you're going to be going to the concert tonight, we will be there. So it does look like very good weather here. No rain in the forecast for tonight, and no rain in the forecast for the weekend either. We go a little bit further in time here. This system is going to slide offshore here. We still have a breezy conditions that we're going to be dealing with today. We still have the northeastern wind created by this area low pressure. Of course, counterclockwise flow around light low pressure will bring northeasterly winds off the ocean here, and that's going to keep it breezy at times. I think it's going to be mainly through the afternoon hours. Once we get into tonight, the winds will diminish pretty rapidly. So we're not talking about really high winds today, maybe like 7 to 12, 8 to 14 miles an hour type deal, but Kiev has some gusts that could exceed 20 miles per hour, maybe 20, 25 miles per hour at times. So not overly windy, but just because of this low pressure being in close proximity here, we could definitely have some higher wind gusts. And then we go a little bit further here, going into the weekend. Here's a look at Saturday. This system still lurking offshore at this point. And this is far enough off the Carolina coast here. That's that's their deal down there. But in our coverage area, we will remain mostly sunny this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Looks like. Here's a look at Sunday. Same deal here, mostly sunny. Finally, the system's pulling away here. That is the same system that missed our south here. So it's going to hang around for a couple days offshore, but really just a storm for the fishes, and not really worried about it at all. We get into Monday, we'll have an isolated chance of a shower or thunderstorm. This is going to be kind of suspect. The dew points are pretty low here on Monday, so storms will have trouble initiating. But it is not out of the question that you do get an isolated thunderstorm later in the day. If that were to occur, it would be late in the day, just a heat in the day type thing. And as we go into Tuesday, this is when you have your showers and thunderstorms moving through here. Now, the models are still undecided with the timing of this system here. This is a frontal boundary, but it also is some models are trying to form an area low pressure right along that boundary. If that happens, they could enhance the rainfall. We have a couple days to look at this here too, and decided this is just a quick hitting frontal passage with a line of showers and thunderstorms. And it just goes right through, in and out, or if it hangs around for a little bit and is impressed by low pressure here. We'll have to see what goes on as we get a little bit closer, see if the models can come to some kind of agreement. There's some models showing just a frontal passage that's going to come in Monday night into Tuesday, and then Tuesday afternoon we get improving conditions. And those other models have this hanging around all day. So we'll have to wait and see how that transpires, and how, narrow the time and we get a little bit closer with that. But right now, look for the next chance of rain to be in that time frame Monday night, and also during the day Tuesday, probably more scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. And behind that, we clear out again, and we get into mostly sunny conditions here for Wednesday. and should improve. The nice conditions to remain at least until the weekend. It looks like you're going to have several straight days of partly cloudy or mostly sunny days to round out the week next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for August 7th, 2015. Have a great Friday.